Hey guys, it's Sarah from Here to Dream, and here's a lace braid pony tutorial. Start by sectioning off the bottom half of the head. Make a line from ear to ear, and then gather the top section of hair and clip it out of the way. Now we'll start the lace braid. Take a section of hair and split it into 3 strands. Then take the right strand and cross it under the middle strand, and take the left strand and cross it under the middle strand, and you'll continue that pattern. And that's the pattern for a Dutch braid. Now to make it a lace braid, as you continue to braid, you're going to add small sections of hair from the left side only. Your goal is to keep the braid as close to the part line as possible, and adding small sections of hair from the bottom only will help you stay close to the part line. So the only time you will add hair is when you cross the left strand under the middle strand. It's basically a Dutch braid, except you're only adding hair from one side of the braid instead of both sides. And then you'll continue the braid all the way across the head and then all the way down to the tip and tie with an elastic. Now unclip the top section of hair. Then comb that top section of hair over to the right side and tie into a ponytail. Then take the end of the braid and twist it around the ponytail 2 times. Then take an elastic and secure the braid that's around the ponytail. Then tighten the ponytail and then find the end of the braid, take that elastic out and take the braid out, and then incorporate that small amount of hair into the rest of the ponytail. And then you're done! Thank you for watching, and please tag Hair to Dream if you try it.